I said, hey, bartender, hey, man, look here.
Hey guys, my name is Gary, I'm not a bartender, and welcome back to Casually Drinking. As you might have guessed from the title, we're going to be making a Bloody Mary. And despite what the video title and thumbnail says, this drink can possibly delay your hangover, but it will make it much worse. What I do recommend after a long night of drinking is some water and some electrolytes. Now that I clickbaited you guys, let's get right to the ingredients. Things you'll be needing are tomato juice, vodka, lemon and lime, salt and pepper, and finally Worcestershire sauce. For your garnishes, you'll be needing olives and a celery stick. Now that we know our ingredients, let's get right to mixing. And there you have it, folks, the Bloody Mary. Just wanted to remind you guys that this cocktail does not cure a hangover. I suggest drinking lots of water and electrolytes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give a like and subscribe if you're new. Comment what kind of drink you'd like to see me make. Remember, I'm still a newbie on this, so if you like what you see, yeah, just be a subscriber. As always, guys, I'll see you later.